Hi, I'm Dr. Matthew Barker with Integrative Pain and Wellness Center, and I openly share my health and healing journey with my patients because it has been through trying to find the answers to heal my different medical problems that I have learned how to help so many of my patients who struggle with the same kinds of things, from my chronic pain to gut health dysfunction to infertility, hormone issues, toxins building up in the body. And if you would have asked me 2 years ago if I had any need for any mental, emotional healing, I would have told you no, I'm not depressed or anxious, and it's not something that I really struggle with. And even within my patient panel, I did always believe in kind of this paradigm of how our health is interconnected. And at one tip of the triangle, you have your musculoskeletal health, and at second tip, you have your organ health, and at the third tip, you have your mental, emotional, spiritual health. And even within my practice, I knew, or I had an understanding, that a problem in one of those categories tends to cause issues in the other two. And in my patients who expressed that they were depressed and anxious, I was actively looking for underlying problems within the musculoskeletal system or in the organ system that was impacting their mental health. But in my patients who weren't coming in saying they were depressed and anxious, the mental, emotional, spiritual piece was not at the forefront of my mind. Nor did I have great tools to address problems in that category of mental, emotional, spiritual. And as I've discovered that I had a great need to heal many things within myself, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, it has been through the tools that have helped me that I've now incorporated those tools into my practice, and I'm starting to see even better results with my patients. And if you think about the difference between treatment, curing, and healing. So you're treating a problem without fixing anything. So it'd be like taking a medication for high blood pressure. If you stop taking the medication, then your blood pressure is going to go back up. Curing is addressing the physical aspect of a disease. So if somebody had breast cancer, you cut out the cancer, that person is cured of cancer. But healing is addressing the mental, emotional, spiritual, and the physical part. So for that breast cancer, for example, if there is underlying toxins that cause that person to generate the cancer, and they have underlying emotional issues that were contributing to the cause of that cancer, and you don't address that aspect of it, that cancer could either come back or manifest in a totally different way because you haven't addressed the toxins and the mental, emotional, spiritual part. So as I've learned these things, my practice is definitely shifting more to this healing paradigm where I'm trying to address each component. And as I've picked and pulled and modified and learned different tools that have been so meaningful and so special in my own life, I've put together this model now that I call emotional transformation healing, which the purpose of this model is to find healing by releasing negative emotions and learning from the experience that caused them in order to transform trauma into spiritual growth. And as I've used these tools to release emotions, to change subconscious belief patterns, to learn spiritual life lessons from these sometimes painful experiences, I've seen miracles in my own life. I've seen miracles in my patients' lives and my friends and family. And the next several videos are going to dive into some of the aspects of this model of treatment. And I hope that these tools can help you as much as they've helped me. Thank you so much.